Hey everybody, what's going on? I'm going to show you today how to make a rope vine scrape. Okay, so what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to put on your gloves. I like to wear gloves that are new and don't have any sweat or scent to them, trying to keep my scent off the rope that the deer are going to be using as a scrape, hopefully. You're going to cut 3 pieces of rope. This is all about 1/4 inch. Just like a manila rope. I just like this natural fiber stuff. I could have bought all this on Amazon, a 1-inch rope, for, I don't remember, I think it was like $25 or $30 for a 50-foot piece, but I didn't feel like spending the money. So I had some of this 1/4 inch manila rope laying around, and I'm gonna braid it and make it into my own. So if you got rope yourself laying around and want to save a little bit of money, try something that's actually gonna be very effective in the woods. I suggest trying this. Okay, so you're gonna wanna cut 3 pieces separately, and you're gonna make them about 6.5 to 7 foot long. You can always go longer, I just don't wanna waste your rope. But you wanna cut 3 of those pieces, and you wanna take 3 separate ends, put them all together like so. 1, 2, 3. Try to get them fairly even. At least I like to start them even so they kind of come out even. And then you're just going to make a single half hitch knot with all 3. Grab that. Voila. And I like to snug it up. Pull each strand individually. Really make sure I get it nice and tight. Then I'll pinch down my knot. Another tip from this point on, this natural fiber rope is kind of messy. So if you don't want to make a mess in your house, I suggest doing this outside. Okay, so once you have your regular half hitch knot with the 3 together, we're literally going to braid this like you would braid hair. Now, maybe you don't know how to braid hair. I'm going to show you. It's not very hard. It's a little easier if I can separate them. I got my dog running around, so I don't want her to grab it and put her scent on it. But I kind of got all 3 separated, okay? So I go like, have all 3 separated. I don't think it matters whichever way you start, but I'm gonna start, I'll take the left one, I'll go over the middle, and then I'll take one over the middle. All right, we made it to the end of our rope, or with about 8 to 10 inches left. If you leave it a little longer, it's a little easier to tie the knot at the end. Basically, you're gonna do the same thing. You want to come to the end of your braid, and I like to make sure it's snug and tight right here at the end before I'm about to do my knot. I kind of pinch it, and then you're going to take your 3 tails, and you're going to make another half hitch knot right back in the rope. I get it about right there. Pull my knot down, same as the beginning. Work the knot, work each individual strand. Don't want this to come apart. And I have approximately a 6-foot rope. And when it comes time to hang, I'm gonna want it to hang about like this, you know, straight down. And over time, that's gonna straighten out with gravity. I'm kind of picky. I don't think a deer would care, but I'm picky about my work. So I like to trim my tails. Don't want to go too short, so if something picks at it, it doesn't come out. But kind of clean it up a little bit. And really, I just clean up the end that I'm going to leave down. This will be my end that I tie up on the branch, and I should be good to go. Give it another stretch, and hopefully I have myself a working mock rope. For transportation purposes, until I get it into the woods, I still play the scent game. I like to store it in a Ziploc bag to keep house scents and my scents and, you know, food, dogs, whatever. And I seal it up, and I won't open the bag again until I get to my place in the woods where I know that only natural scents will be occurring on my rope scrape. And that is how you make your own hemp rope. Hey everybody, I'm out here today in the woods putting up my hemp rope scrape. And as you can see, I got it hung. It's about 4 foot off the ground, and directly below I took a big stick in the woods and just kind of dragged a little mock scrape. Now hopefully deer will start using this. It is along a
frequently traveled deer path, so hopefully they see it on the side, rub their scent on it, and walk on. I placed it here as a good stopping point. My bow stand is up in that tree directly ahead of us, if you can see it. So we'll see if we can have some luck with this hemp rope. Thanks for watching this short little video on hemp rope scrapes, and I hope that maybe you'll use this as a tool to slow down your deer in just the right shooting lane, or to collect deer pictures. Either way is a great tool. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.